Okay guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis. I'm here in Colorado and I brought with me a couple of gift baskets for Easter to make for some little friends to send home with their mom that I'm going to get to see. And so one is for a girl, one is for a boy. And I've picked up some items that I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in them and then just show you how I put them together. Of course, you can make your little gifts for Easter however you want, but these are just some things that I chose. So let me show you what I got. I got a couple little stuffed animals, one for each, and this one just smells so good. I don't know why, it just really does. But anyway, because it's chocolate scented. Well, there you go, and it really does smell good. Then a couple of little Easter bunny ears. For the little girl, I'm going to put her things in this little cute purse so she can reuse that. For the little boy, I've got this glowing disc, so he'll like that. Then I did pick up some candy, so I've got this one, little ducks, chickens, and bunny candy packages. And these little candy bracelets. And then these little Smarties. Oh, it'll be fun. I did get some pink and some blue Easter grass. I picked up, I have a little flower. You saw this in my Dollar Tree haul, almost all of this. And I'm gonna put it on the purse. And then the chocolate truck, and then a little duck. I thought it was a chick, but it's a duck, little white chocolate. And then a couple of little tiny jelly bird jelly beans. And then a little bracelet, glass bracelet, and a little fan. For the little guy, I'm gonna give him this flashlight. It shines up here and here. Then I have some eggs. I'm gonna put some of this candy in the eggs. And then here's the gift basket, this gift bag that's gonna hold the little guy's goodies. So I'm gonna put all this together and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so first I'm going to fill these eggs with some candy, but I am gonna put some candy without being in the eggs, but it's always fun to put something in the eggs, right? Okay, now I have separated, this is for one and this is for the other. The eggs are full and there's a little extra candy to go in. So let's do the little guys first. We're gonna put it in this little bag. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the grass inside here. I'm gonna take this blue grass and put it in. And then to make it bigger, of course, you probably know this, just pull it apart because it's, you know, like kind of compressed and the air's pulled out of it and stuff. So then now you have your grass all pretty and everything like that. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put the biggest things first. So I'm going to put this first and put it in the back like that. You see? And then I'm going to take his little gifts. And here's his puppy. And then his bunny ears. And his truck. And then his little flashlight. I'm going to put that in there so you can see everything is in there. And then I'm going to take his eggs and put them in there. And kind of push them around in the bottom if you can see that. And then, so they're kind of like hidden Easter eggs. And then I would put some candy on top. I'll show you when I'm done. And then just spread it around. It's really not a big deal. But then I take the grass and I pull it up some more so that everything is not showing. And then you can see inside. It's kind of hard to see, but anyway. And so then you have his cute little bag. And then I'll sign his card. It's a little egg. I don't know if you saw that. Cute. All right, and then for the young lady, hers might not all fit in here, but I'm going to put the Easter bunny ears first. And then I have her little flower to decorate her bag, and it's on a clip. So I'm just gonna clip it on like this. You can see. and she can take it off. She can put it on a ribbon if she wants to, and put it in her hair or on something else. So then I'm going to take her grass, and I probably do not need all of this, but we're going to see. It fills it up pretty good, kind of stretches it. I might leave it so you can see. How cute is that going to be, right? Okay, now she's got a little bunny. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I'm putting these little tiny jelly bird eggs in there. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that in hers. Hers is going to be really full. And then I'm going to put that in his as well. All right, she has this fan. So we're going to put that in the back because it's really tall, right? And then she has her little ducky. I'm going to put that in here, right? And then her bracelet, which I'm just going to drape over the bunny right now so it doesn't get lost. And that might be a cute bunny necklace. All right, then I'm going to stick her eggs in the bottom, actually. I'm going to stick her eggs in there, and the bunny can sit on them like this. And then I'm going to put some of her candy back here. So it's trying to fit it all in there. You know, there's always a way to do it, right? You can figure it out. And if you want it a certain way, you can make it work. All right, so get in there, little egg. All right, and then the bunny can just sit here like this. Here we go. So there we go. We got it all in there. And we're done. So anyway, here is hers. I'm going to leave it here. I know, watch all the cords. Sorry about that. I am in the hotel room. And here is little gents. And I'll take a picture and give you a closer video at the end. Let's see if I can bring that up a little bit. There we go. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it inspires you to create some cute little gift basket for Easter. And I wish you the best for this resurrection holiday. And thank you for watching.